and welcome back at the channel. Today we're gonna talk about the Maschine Plus again, because I really love this piece of hardware in combination with the software, and how to install the Nexus 5, because I had some troubles installing the VST. And for all you producers out there who are also want to make it work, it was actually very simple, but you need to know where to look. So without further ado, let's jump into it. You open the app, the FX Cloud app. I'm gonna show you here. I already installed it, so I don't go through the process all again, but it's as easy as install Nexus and your expansions, of course. You can select where to put it, put the library, and then you're good to go. But I was looking all the time here that it would show up in this little screen, and it didn't, and it made me mad. So I thought, what am I doing wrong? Well, I did not do anything wrong, because what you need to do is go to the plus, the plus, go to VST3, and there you have him, the FX Nexus. Then you click on it, and here he is. It's working like a charm. So for example, let's record something. First I always start with the beat, because I love the beat. So I will load in some stuff, some deep matter, and then you select the kit, you load it in. So now you have a basic beat. So some notes are not exactly on the sometimes it's also a good thing. We create another sound, for example another Nexus sound, and this time we want a bass line. Now we got already some stuff going on. And those knobs you can tweak. Does work pretty easy with the Nexus. I'm gonna show you right now. Already automation already recorded. So it's very easy to automate your synths, or virtual synthesizers with Maschine. I also got Cubase, but for some reason it does not work as well with only Maschine. The combination Maschine with Cubase isn't. I don't like it. Plain and simple, I don't like it. Now AI is ramping up the quality, the sound, music. It's actually going somewhere where it's be good, very good, but for the sake of being human, for the sake of enjoying the gifts that God Himself give us, human people, please enjoy what you're doing and don't get distracted by that stupid AI stuff. It won't give you any satisfaction. So that's it.